In this tutorial, I'll show you how to invite members into a GitHub organization. This is useful when you're working with a team and need to give others access to your repositories and projects. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. Then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile picture in the upper right corner and select Organizations. Next, select the organization where you want to invite a new member. On the organization page, click Invite Someone. Now, enter the person's GitHub username, full name or email address. Select the correct person from the search results and click Invite. Next, choose the appropriate role for the new member. For most team members, select Member, as this provides standard access without giving them full administrative control. Finally, click Send Invitation. GitHub will send an invitation to the person, and they'll need to accept it before they can access the organization. That's how to invite members into a GitHub organization. Thanks for watching.